So guys, this is another complete disassembly of the Korg B2 keyboard. I have took out the motherboard to examine it for the 5th time. I think I found the broken trace. So I've already marked the 2 broken trace over here and over here. I will attempt to troubleshoot from here. Guys, this is the back of the motherboard. If you look carefully, there are no printed circuit board lines that I can do anything about from the back. So the only way to repair this is do it from the front, which carries more risk. So back to the front, I have inspected all the diodes, resistors, capacitors. It is suspected that this trace is broken. So I will attempt to solder single core wire to join back this trace. Okay, and right now I'm just waiting for my soldering iron to heat to the correct temperature, and I'll attempt to solder it from the front. Okay guys, I've done the soldering. Okay, not very clean, but let's hope it works. I'll try to assemble this together and test it. Before I assemble everything together, I just briefly hook up the power and test. So those that I have marked across, these are the broken threads. So let's try from this side first. Okay, the sound is out. Try the next one. Okay, working. Let's just jump a bit randomly. Select one. Okay, this is point 1. Okay, sound. Now come to the most critical part, the one that I joined the thread. Let's try this one. Sound. Okay, I would assemble everything back and do a full test. I fixed back all the motherboard, all the corresponding screw. So next thing is to remove what you have written. So these are Sharpie markers marking. I will use a bit of isopropyl alcohol, gently clean on the motherboard and remove all the markings. I've removed all the markings. See carefully. It is looking as good as new. The next thing I want to do is to give it a bit more of a grease. So the white medium grease during the removal and troubleshooting process. I have also picked up some of the grease on my hands. So I would like to remove a bit of the medium grease to make it smooth. So I have here white medium grease tube. I will use a simple chopstick to apply to all the keys sparingly. I have lubricated all the nodes sufficiently, but not too much. So I will start to assemble back the rest of the components. These are the rubber paddings, the keys contact point. You wash it with mild soap. Make sure it's fully dry, and then you will just put everything back together. I have put back all the rubber contact keys. So next is to cover back the top cover. I'm putting back the keys of the keyboard. You basically just clip in. Okay, I have also marked the keys that were spoiled without the notes. Later we will do a full test. I will assemble back the back portion of the keyboard. I basically screwed back every single screw. There are hundreds of screws. Everything has been assembled back. I will do a sound test. Best moment of truth. Light came on. Let's check. all the keys. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching me repairing this piano. This is a $750 piano, fully repaired now. I can start playing. Catch you again. Okay, first power on. Good, the light is on. Let's try all the keys. All good.